I knew that the new Kindle Colorsoft was going to get a lot of hype, but I was not expecting over 1 million views on TikTok. But now that I've had a chance to review it and test it for over a week, let's discuss whether this thing is worth the hype or not, especially when we have the Kobo Clara color on the market for half the cost. So, which color e-reader is better, the Kindle Colorsoft or the Kobo Clara color? Let's take a look. So the main difference between the two, as you can see, is the size. The Kobo Clara color is 6 inches, while the Kindle Colorsoft is 7 inches. And even though both have a resolution of 300 ppi, to me, the Kobo Clara color is not as sharp and defined as the Kindle Colorsoft. What's so great about the Kindle Colorsoft? First things up is the 7-inch color display. Even though you're buying this primarily because it's a color device, you'll be pleased to know that when you're reading regular books, black and white books, everything looks really nice. The blacks stand out amongst the white backgrounds thanks to the higher contrast ratio. So no matter if it's color content or black and white content, the Kindle is a lot brighter and a lot sharper, no matter if the lights are on or off. I think the Kindle wins this round. The next reason I prefer the Kindle Colorsoft is because of performance. No matter if you're looking at color comics or black and white novels, everything just flows a lot faster. The Kobo, even though it's not that slow, you could tell the difference. It takes a lot longer for pages to load, and sometimes there'll be ghosting when you're going between pages, which you get kind of aggravating because you have to flip the page again to get the correct image. So overall, whether you're reading books or just navigating through the menus, the Kindle is a lot faster and snappier. Next up, let's talk about design. So the Kindle Colorsoft retains the same classic Kindle appearance that you know. You got the matte black chassis, which not only feels nice, but also sounds nice when you click on it. And it's just really good to read on since it's so light despite its size. I could read on this thing for hours. This isn't badly designed, but it does feel cheap. You could even hear the plasticky sound. I would actually compare this to the base Kindle, where it's a lot smaller, a lot lighter, and just kind of cheap feeling. One thing that the Kobo has over the Kindle is that its button is placed on the back instead of on the bottom, which has always aggravated me because I'm always constantly hitting this thing. I really like the fact that the button's back here. And my final reason for getting the Kindle Colorsoft is its integration with Amazon. Since Amazon is the biggest bookseller on earth, you get access to millions and millions of books through Amazon Kindle. And because of that integration, all you have to do is log into your Amazon account, and every single book that you've purchased is automatically available to you. Kindle Unlimited, as its name suggests, gives you an unlimited amount of books that you can read all month long, all year long, all decades long, however long you want. It's just really great. And they're always constantly adding new books, not only books by big authors, but a lot of indie books. And all that costs $12 a month, which is a lot cheaper than Netflix. But not to be outdone, Kobo also has its Kobo Plus subscription service, which is $8 a month. Even though you have access to millions of books on Kobo Plus, it is somewhat limited compared to Amazon Kindle Unlimited. And the reason for that is since Amazon dominates book sales, you have more publishers, both indie and big time, putting their books on Amazon over Kobo. So before we move on, I want you to head down to the comment section and let me know which one of these e-readers you like so far. And also make sure to hit up Tom's Guide to read my full review of the Kindle Colorsoft. First reason to skip the Kindle Colorsoft is its price. This, while great, costs $280, while this little guy costs $150. If you're on a tight budget, that could be reason enough. And if you're mostly just reading regular novels, black and white content, you may not be able to justify paying all that extra money. So even though Kobo Plus may not have as big a library compared to Amazon Kindle, you're gonna find all the big books from authors like Brandon Sanderson, George R.R. Martin, and so on. And the next reason you may want to get the Kobo over the Kindle, and this is the big one, is versatility. With Kobo, you're not locked to the Amazon ecosystem. You can actually buy books from all manner of online places, which is great because that will actually open things up considerably. You might also be able to buy books on Kobo that are not available on Amazon. It's a lot easier to install your EPUB files and all manner of other files such as PDFs on the Kobo compared to the Kindle. Another fun thing is that even though the Kindle supports a lot of built-in fonts, you can't actually download your own. The Kobo, you could do that, which makes it a more personal device. With Kindle, you could borrow books from the library, and this is great if you're a native US resident, but if you're out and about, getting those books might be a little bit trickier. On Kobo, you could even borrow library books from other countries, which is something that the Kindle does not let you do. Both the Kindle Colorsoft and the Kobo Clara Color are fantastic e-readers. And while I prefer the Kindle Colorsoft due to its build quality, performance, and integration with Amazon, the Kobo Clara Color is not a bad device at all, especially if you want to upload your own files to it, and the fact that it's a lot cheaper. So get the Kindle Colorsoft if you want the best picture quality possible on an e-reader and easier book access. And get the Kobo if you want more personalization. So what do you guys think? Please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow Tom's Guide on social, and make sure you hit up tomsguide.com. Once again, I was Tony Polanco, and I'll see you next time. Later.